The beloved Prophet ﷺ said to those Muslims whom Allah has given more than others in Sahih al-Bukhari, volume number 2, hadith number 1433, he said that do not stop your hands from giving in charity. When you stop your hands, when you prevent your hands from giving in charity, Allah will stop blessing you. Allah will stop His blessings upon you. And preventing the hands from giving in charity is a sign of hypocrite men and women, as mentioned in Surah Tawbah, Surah number 9. When you read ayat number 60 onwards, the message in Quran is that the hypocrite men and women, they are friends unto each other. They prevent each other from spending in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they command evil and they forbid righteous deeds. This is a sign of the hypocrite according to the Quran. Further, if you read Sahih al-Bukhari, volume number 2, hadith number 1403, the beloved Prophet ﷺ said, of whatever charity you give, Allah will reward you only for that portion which is halal in it. Further, the beloved Prophet ﷺ said in another hadith in Sahih al-Bukhari, volume number 2, hadith number 1442, the Prophet ﷺ said, every day Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sends two angels on the earth. Two angels descend on earth from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala every day. One of the angels says, Ya Allah, whoever is spending in your way, give him multiple rewards for it. Recompensate him with multiple rewards. Whole day they just come down on the earth to make this dua. And the other angel, he says, Ya Allah, whom you have given does not spend in your way, destroy him and his wealth. Whole day he keeps making this dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So giving is a very important thing.